Hello guys, and welcome to another amazing episode here today on the best profitable products to sell online right now, where I come on here every single day and I reveal a new product that you can tap into right away and start making you a whole lot of money online. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell notification button, because if you don't hit that notification button, you will not be notified each time I release a new video. So be sure to hit that bell notification button. Okay guys, so the product I'm going to be reviewing today is this electric hand massager, and I've been seeing it trending a lot lately on social media, and I've just got this video here just to show you guys what it looks like and how it works. Let me just go on and play it. So as you can see, this is great for people who've got pains in their hands, arthritis, carpal tunnel, and it's a really great way to relieve them of that pressure, of the stress, all the nerve pains. Really great product, guys. You can see it helps with numbness, sore muscles, cold fingers and palms, and it's really great. If you think about it, guys, we spend so much time on our phones now, on computers, on our laptops, on our iPads, and we use our fingers quite a lot more than we can actually imagine. Okay, your fingers are actually busy all day long, so there's a very high possibility of our fingers getting numb, getting painful, maybe not now, but in the long run. So this is a product that is really great just to relieve that everyday pressure of our hands. And even if you're just working, guys, and you can have it on your desk, just put your hand inside the massager whilst you're going about your day-to-day life, and then just swap your fingers around. And this thing, just like an electric massager, guys, it just massages through your fingers. I actually have one that I purchased. I actually got it for my mom and she loves it, so I highly recommend this product. So obviously what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and see if it's something that you can sell and make some money, because it's obviously a product that is likely to solve a problem out here that we're all dealing with, or we don't even know we have yet. Okay, so now we found the product. The first thing we're going to do, as usual, if you guys have been following through, is do some research on Google to see if this is a product that people actually have an interest in. Is it something that solves a problem? So obviously we know it's a hand pain relief product. So as usual, what we're going to do is we're just going to search hand pain, okay? Because anyone that has got pains in their hands are going on the internet searching for products that can help relieve them of hand pain. So I'll change that to worldwide, and I'll change that to 2004 to present, just so we can get a wider data, because then it becomes easier for us to tell if this is a product that is seasonal or a product that is evergreen. So as you can see here right now, it kind of started off here in 2004. It's gone a bit down, but it's not gone to the bottom there, which is great. So this is a pretty steady product. I don't see any spikes that are really substantial. So I would say this is definitely a steady product. So people are going on the internet searching for hand pain, using the keywords hand pain relief, hand pain product. If you think about it, we all spend so much time on our phones, on our laptops, so our hands are constantly busy. So it's no wonder people have this hand pain issues coming up now. Okay, and this product is definitely going to solve that problem, relieve them of the hand pain, or just make things much better for them. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're just going to go ahead and see what other competitor websites are charging for this products right now, because then it gives us an idea on how much we can sell this product for. Okay, so on Amazon, which is the largest e-commerce platform out there, there's different variations of the product. I've seen so many hand massagers, electric hand massagers, not this exact same model. There's quite a few models on Amazon right now, retailing anywhere from like $60 plus. So there's so many different models, but they're doing quite well on Amazon, and people are spending so much money on this product right now, okay? Because again, like I said, it solves a problem, so it's no wonder. So this is the one I found that is very similar to the one I saw on, Facebook, TikTok, the one that has been kind of trending lately. But overall, any hand massager really should be a great profitable product to tap into. So you can look at other models and look at other brands, but I'm just going to be using this one just for the sake of this training, obviously. Okay, so hand massagers would definitely work. So you can see the list price of this product is around $100. Okay, that's a sort of average price, because right now they're actually running a sale. At the moment, they've got 53% off the retail price. So the normal price for this product is like $100, guys. That's what we're looking at. We're not looking at the sale price because this is just a sale. It's temporal, okay? They're not running an everlasting sale on this product. It just means that they're running a sale at the moment. But the original price for that product is about $100, guys. That's the market price for the product. That's what, you should be looking at when you're thinking about how much to charge for this product, okay? I've seen other websites that are charging anywhere from $80 to $100 for the same product. I'm just going to show you guys a few of those websites as well. Okay guys, as you can see right here, this is a website selling that exact same product. It's quite a popular website with this product right now. They are charging like $79.99, around £80 for this product, which should be around $90, around $90 for the product. You can do your currency conversion. So they're charging around $90, guys, for the same product, okay? So it's a really great product, and they've got so many reviews, as you can see, which means that this product is definitely selling and people are definitely purchasing the product for that price, okay? Here's another company, guys, selling the exact same product for around £70, which is around $80. So as you can see, the average retail price for this product is going anywhere from around $60, $70, $80, and I've seen websites charging over $100 for this product, guys. So this is where branding comes into play. This is why I always talk about branding and not only relying on selling the product on platforms like Amazon, which has a lot of competition, meaning that your pricing is going to be slightly lower. So if you're thinking about doing like Amazon FBA, for example, selling your products on Amazon, then your profit will be slightly lower just because there's a lot more fees that come with selling on Amazon, and you need to compete on price with other companies that are selling similar products. So I always recommend, guys, that you create your own website, because then you can charge a higher price, build yourself as an authority. I mean, there's people buying from these companies here for a reason. Why can't everybody just go on Amazon and buy this thing for like $60, right? Why would they pay $90 when they can get it on Amazon for $60? Trust me, guys, not everybody has the time to go on Amazon and search products. Like if they see an ad for a product, they are happy to just click on the link and purchase from the website. Not everybody has the time and patience to go around researching on where to buy this at a cheaper rate, okay? So I know some of you guys that watch these videos are like, oh yeah, people can get it cheaper on Amazon. Not everybody shops on Amazon, okay? Most people don't have the patience to go do all the research. They just go for the company that they see and they click on it, they read reviews, and this is why you need to work on your branding if you want to build a long-term business, okay? Don't just rely on Amazon. Go sell on your own website. Okay. So now we've found a product, we have an idea roughly how much you could sell this product for. Let's just have a look at suppliers to supply this product. So I found one on Alibaba. Well, not just one, there's quite a few on Alibaba. So you can see that's the exact same product right now. It's actually on Alibaba right now for $20. So this means you can source this product for $20 per unit, okay? And resell it anywhere from $50 plus and still make a profit. So even if you were to charge the lowest price, like the Amazon price that we're seeing right now, if you were to say, okay, I'm just going to charge like the cheapest price, like $50, right, for this product, you're still going to be making a good profit of like $25 to $30 for the product, minus in any things like fees and shipping costs and things like that. You're still going to be making a good sweet profit of like $25 on average, okay? Approximately $25 as profit. So you buy this for $20, you resell it for like $50, guys, you still make a nice sweet profit. And that's just like the cheapest price you could sell this product for. So if you were to go and create your own website, you can sell this thing for like $80, $90 plus. So the profit margins of those products, guys, are crazy. Okay, they're crazy. And because this product solves a problem, there's a high chance of it being very, very profitable. You can target, like there's so many people you can target out there. You can target professionals, because where do professionals spend their time? On their laptops, on their phone. They're always busy. Entrepreneurs, that's another target audience right there. Okay, we spend our time on the computer, on our laptops, on our staring at screens, on the phone, closing sales. Always on our phones, on our laptops. Our fingers are always busy, guys. These are great target audiences that you could literally run an ad targeting those audiences, get them to your website and make you some money. And even if you were selling this on Amazon, like I said before, $50 is a great penetration pricing strategy to tap into this, niche and start making you a whole lot of money selling this product, okay? Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you've been inspired by a product idea that you can tap into right now and start making you some money online. Now, if you're looking for more in-depth information to help you put all the pieces together, then I would like to invite you to check out my online learning and educational platform called Funnelpire. I'll leave a link in the description field below this video. So Funnelpire is an online educational platform. It's literally a hub of different courses that teach you how to start and grow your online business. And you can learn anywhere from starting a boutique business to doing dropshipping to selling ebooks, online courses, affiliate marketing, so many trainings to benefit from within this platform, guys. Okay, so if you're someone out there who's looking for more information and you want to learn how to start an online business and also how to get more customers to your existing online business, then this is a platform to tap into. And the beauty about Funnelpire is the fact that you don't only learn, but you also earn in the process. So you have the opportunity to earn from our affiliate program, where you can also recommend those trainings to other people out there who need help starting and growing their online businesses. This is an amazing platform, guys, for anyone out there who's looking to start an online business, but they're just feeling stuck and they're not sure where to get started. I'll leave a link below this video. You can register for your account and get started today. And I'll see you guys in my next video.